Now let us discuss about type conversion and type coercion in JavaScript. Here type conversion or type coercion means it is the process of converting a value from one data type to another data type. So first let's see about what is type conversion. Type conversion means if the conversion is done explicitly by the programmer or user, then it is called as type conversion. Type conversion can also be called as typecasting or explicit type conversion. So why it is called as explicit type conversion? Why? Because here the type conversion, the converting a value from one data type to another data type is done explicitly by the programmer or user. So that's why we can call type conversion as typecasting or explicit type conversion also. Now let's see how we can do the type conversion. Type conversion in JavaScript is accomplished by various built-in functions. So mainly we have three built-in functions. So first one is number, second one is string function, third one is Boolean function. So number function is useful for converting the value into the number. Suppose here if the value is a string, so that string will be converted into the number. Suppose if the argument is a Boolean value, so that Boolean value will be converted into the number with the help of the number function. Now let us see with the help of an example. So where a equal to, so let us take a string where a equal to 10. Here we have enclosed 10 within the double quotations. So a will become what? A will become string. So document dot write. So display a value. A is plus a, next plus display type of a. So whether it is number or string, so that is done with the help of the type of function, type of operator. So type of a, type of a. So let us run the program. Let us run the program. If we run the program, let's see what is the output. What is a here? A is 10. But what is the type of a? Type of a is string. Why? Because a contains string. Now with the help of the number function, let us convert that string into the number. So that should be done with the help of the number function, where b equal to number of a. So what is a here? A means a string. So now that string will be converted into the number. So now b contains what? 10 only, but the 10 is what? A number. So let us work with the program. So b is display b value. So what is b value? 10. But what is the type of b? Type of b is number. Number. String is converted into the number. So this is the advantage of the type casting or type conversion. So if you observe here, yeah, let us use breakline tag here so that we will get output in the new line. Yeah. So what is b here? B is 10. But what is the type of the b? Type of b is number. So this is the advantage of the number function. It is useful in order to convert the argument into a number. It may be a string, or it may be Boolean value, or it may be null. It may be any value. Next, let us see about the next function, that is string. So here in all the built-in functions, the first letter is uppercase letter. Why? Because we know the naming conventions for a function or method. It always starts with uppercase letter. It converts the argument into the string. Suppose that the argument is a number, so that number will be converted into the string. Let us work with the example. Now instead of string, let us take the number. So where a equal to 10. So this is a number. So now what is the output we will get? A is 10. But what is the type of a? Number. Number. Now with the help of the string function, let us convert the number into the string. Now b contains a string called 10. Okay. Now what is the type of the b? Now type of b is what? Type of b is string. So let us see whether it is producing correct output or not. So b, first one, First line A is 10, but what is the type of A? Number. Number. A contains a number. Whereas what is B? B is also 10. B also contains 10. But what is the type of the B? Type of B is string. With the help of the string function, we are converting that number into the string. Now let us see the third one. Third important function, Boolean function. It converts the argument into the Boolean. It converts the argument into the Boolean. Where A is equal to 10. Now let us convert the 10 into the Boolean value. Boolean value. Now what is the output that we will get? Okay. Boolean of A. So what does A contains? 10. In JavaScript or in any programming value, 0 means false, whereas non-zero means true. It may be any value. It may be 10 or 40 or 50. So that value non-zero is nothing but true value. So now what is B value? So B will contain true. True. So type of B will contain what? True. So let us see the output. So A is 10. What is the type of A? Number. Type of A is number. But what is B? B means true. Why? Because it has B equal to Boolean of A. What does A contains? 10. So 10 means non-zero value. So true. So what is the type of the Boolean? So instead of 10, let us take 0. So 0 means false value. So now we will get output as false. We will get output as false. So this is about type casting or type conversion. So what is typecasting or type conversion? That conversion should be done explicitly by the programmer or user. So in order to do that, we have to use the various built-in functions. Now let us see about the second one, type coercion. If the conversion is performed automatically or implicitly by the JavaScript engine, then it is called as type coercion or type coercion. What is the spelling? C-O-E-R-C-I-O-N. Or implicit type conversion or automatic type conversion. We know that a JavaScript program is executed by JavaScript engine. So here type conversion means, type coercion means the type conversion will be done implicitly or automatically by the JavaScript engine, by the browser. So here type coercion can also be called as implicit type conversion. Why? Because the type here, the conversion will be done implicitly by the JavaScript engine. This is also called as automatic type conversion. Why? Because here that conversion is done automatically by the JavaScript engine. Okay. So first one is type conversion or explicit type conversion or typecasting. Whereas what is the second one? Type coercion or implicit type conversion or automatic type conversion. Now let us work with several examples on the type conversion. Where A equal to, let A contains 7 in string format. Okay. Next, where B equal to, let B contains 2. Next, let us perform addition operation on A and B. Let us perform addition operation on A and B. After that, let us display what does C contains and what is the data type of the C. So let's see here. Here what does A contains? 7 in string format. What does B contains? 2. Here what is the statement? Where C equal to A plus B. Here A contains a string, B contains a number. So now what will happen is, if we perform the plus operation, then this plus operation is called as concatenation operator. Okay. Then what will happen is, what does B contain? 2. So this 2 will be automatically converted into the string. So here what is B? 2 in number format. So whenever we perform addition operation on a string and number, then what will happen? That number will be converted into the string format. So now B contains 2. So the 2 will be converted into the string. So now what will happen? Now here B means it will be available in the string format. So where C equal to A plus B. So 2 will be appended at the end of the 7. So we will get 72 in string format. Here, who is doing the conversion? That conversion is implicitly done by the JavaScript engine. So whenever we perform the plus operation on a string and a number, that number will be automatically converted into the string. So now we will get C as 72. But what is the type of the C? String. If we observe the output here, what is C here? C is, let us display C value. So what is C? So C means 72. Type of C is what? String. So this is the advantage of the type coercion or implicit type conversion or automatic type conversion. Now let us work with another example where C equal to A greater than B. Here what is A? 7 in string. What is B? 2 in number. But here we are comparing the two numbers. So whenever we use relational operator, then what will happen is the string, that string 7 in string format will be automatically converted into the number. So now what does A will contain? A contains 7 in number format. Okay. 7 greater than, what does B contains? 2 in number format. 7 greater than 2. Condition is true or false? True. So now what does C contains? C contains true. Whereas what is the type of the C? True is nothing but a Boolean value. So this is the advantage of the type coercion. Here 7 in string is automatically converted into the number format. Whereas in the previous example, when we use plus operation, then the number will be automatically converted into the string. Okay. So if you see here, what is the output here? C is true, type of C is Boolean. Why? Because here we are using relational operator. So this 7 will be converted into the, number, the 7 in string format will be converted into the number. Okay. 7 greater than 2 means the condition is true. So that's why we got true as the output. True means Boolean value. Okay. So this is about type conversion and type coercion in JavaScript.